Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. So today I'd like to share with all of you on how to find an inverse of matrix of A of matrix 3 times 3 using elementary row operation. So the idea is, from the matrix of A, write down the matrix of A with an identity. So identity is a matrix of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So the matrix identity of 3 times 3. So using ERO, we try to get, recall, this identity will take place the matrix of A, then we come up with a matrix of inverse on the right side. So this is the one that we're looking for. Okay, so let's begin the process of this. So this is a matrix of A identity that I put them next to each other. So the first thing is we are going to compare this one with 1 on this row number 1. Okay, before that, let's reintroduce you with row number 1, row number 2, and row 3. So we are going to compare this one with this one here. So we come up with R2, which is R2 minus R1. So the idea is, what is the numbers in row number 2? 1. Okay, and then what is the number minus? And the numbers in row number 1 here? Also 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So look at this one here. This is an identity. So we got 0, 0, 0. So this is my first target. 0 over, turn this into 0, 0, and 0 here. So the new R3, which is R3 minus 2R1. So R3 here is 2, negative 2 times 1 equal to negative 2. So then 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now, because nothing changed in row number 1, so we write it all again. 1, negative 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so then just now is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus negative 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 minus 1 equal to, or 1 minus 2 equal to negative 1. 0 minus 1, negative 1. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Then next is 2 times negative 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Negative 2 times negative 1 equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Negative 1, negative 2 times 2, negative 4, negative 1 minus 4, negative 5. 0 minus negative 2, negative 2. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 2 times 0, so 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay. So the next is this number 3. Okay, I'm not going to compare this number 3 with this negative 1, even though we can make this into 0 between this 3 and negative 1. But I'm not. If I do so, then I'm going to change this 0 plus or minus with something that it will turn into a non-zero. So avoid that. Okay, so the best thing we can do here now is compare this 3 with number 2 in row number 2 here. So the new R3, which is 2R3 minus 3R2. Okay, so then, the changes operation in row number 3, so nothing changed in row number 1 and 2. 1, negative 1, and 2. 0, 2, negative 1. Okay, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Okay, now 2 times 3, okay, between R3 and R2 here, 0 and 0, nothing change, 0. 3 times, okay, 2 times 3 equal to 6. Negative 3 times 2 equal to 6, so 6 minus 6, 0. 2 times negative 5 equal to negative 10. Negative 3 times negative 1 equal to positive 1. So 10 minus negative 10 plus 3 and negative 7. Okay, so 2 times negative 2 equal to negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 1 equal to positive 3. So negative 4 plus 3, negative 1. So 0 with negative 3, and 1. 2 times 1 equal to 2 with 0, 2. Now, this is my next target. My next target here, we are not going to compare with this number 2 from row number 1 because we are going to, we might change this 0 into a non-zero. So again, avoid that. So we are going to make this operation of negative 1 compare with negative 7 because 0 plus or minus 0, nothing changed within 0 here. So the best thing we can do here now is the new R2, okay, if it's 7 R2 minus R3. Let's double check. 7 times negative 1 equal to negative 7. Okay, negative 7 minus, then we got negative 7 here. So negative times negative become positive. So negative 7 plus 7, 0. Okay, so then, so 1, negative 1, 2, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, negative 7, negative 1, negative 3, and 2. Okay, so now between element in row numbers in row number 2 and row number 3, 0 with 0, 0. Okay, these are 0 just now. 7 times 2 equal to 14 minus 0 equal to 14. Then next, 7 times negative 1 equal to negative 7. And then minus R3 minus negative 1 equal to positive 1. So negative 7 plus 1 equal to negative 6. 7 times 1 equal to 7. Negative times negative become positive 3. So 7 plus 3 equal to 10. And then 7 times 0 equal to 0 minus negative 2. Negative 2. So now this is my next target. Okay, so we're going to compare with this negative 7. So the new R1 equal to 2R1. Okay, make a mistake here. So we're going to compare with 2 with negative 7 here. So make this one as a 7. 7R1 plus 2R3. So nothing changed in row number 2, number 3. 0 and 0, 14, 0, 0, negative 7. Okay, and then negative 6, negative 1, 10 with 3, negative 2, or negative 3, negative 2 with 2. Okay, now 7 times 2 equal to 14, and then 2 times negative 7 equal to negative 14. So 14 minus 14, 0. 7 times R1, 7 times negative 1 equal to negative 7. Then 3 equal to 0 here, so negative 7. Then 7 times 1 and a 0 here, so we got 7. Okay, so then 7 times 1 equal to 7, and then 2 times negative 1 equal to negative 2. So for 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 7 times 0, 2 times negative 3 equal to negative 6. And then 7 times 0, 2 times 2 equal to 4. So next, this is the one, negative 7 with 14. So the new R1, let's make this one as an 2R1 plus with R2. 2 times negative 7 equal to negative 14 plus 14, 0. Okay. So we got 0, 0, 14, 0, 0, negative 7, negative 6, negative 1, 10, negative 3, negative 2, and 2. Okay, so now 2R1, 2 times negative 7, negative 14 plus 14 equal to 0, 0 with 0, 0, 2 times 7, 14, okay, and then 2 times 5 equal to 10, plus with negative 6, 10 minus 6 equal to 4, then 2 times negative 6, negative 12, plus 10, negative 2, and also 2 times 4 equal to 8, plus negative 2, 6. Okay, so now we got 14, 14, and negative 7. We want to turn it into 1 here. They are already 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the new R1, which is 1 over 14 R1, the new R2 also equal to 1 over 14 R2, and the new R3, which is negative 1 over 7 R3. Okay. So what's going to happen then next? Okay. So 14 times 1 over 14, 1. 0, 0. 0, 14 times 1 over 14, 1, 0. 0, 0, negative 7 times negative 1 over 7, 1. So now, it's time for us to simplify all this. 4 times 1 over 14, 2 over 7. Negative 12, negative 2 times over 14, negative 1 over 7. And also, okay, we simplify all this. 6 over 14, 3 over 7. And here negative 3 over 7, 5 over 7, and also negative 1 over 7. And here is 1 over 7, okay, 3 over 7, and also negative 2 divided by 7. Okay, so I'm going to write down again all this. Okay, the inverse of the matrix of A, and next page. So just now the matrix of A, which is 1, negative 2, 1, negative 1, negative 1, okay, sorry. One, negative 1, and 2, then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, and negative 1. And finally, we get that we call the inverse of the matrix of A, which is 2 over 7, negative 1 over 7, and 3 over 7, negative 3 over 7, 5 over 7, and negative 1 divided by 7. And the next row, which is 1 over 7, 3 over 7, and negative 2 over 7. There you go. Okay, so please remember all this process here, and finally, this is your answer. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.